enriched with a glorious tradition of unique art, literature, and culture. The land of West Bengal continues to strengthen the spirit of Ek Bharat Shresht Bharat. And at the heart of it lies the vision of Viksit Bangla. To take West Bengal to new heights of development and to make the lives of crores of its citizens easier, India has been making continuous and tireless efforts. In the past 11 years, the Government of India has undertaken sustained and comprehensive work across West Bengal, from building modern infrastructure to addressing the needs and aspirations of the poor, the youth, the farmers, women empowerment, and the middle class. With this intention, the central government is continuously giving new momentum to infrastructure, innovation, and investment here. In this series of development, central government is gifting Kolkata and the people of West Bengal several modern connectivity projects worth about 5,200 crore rupees. Today marks a new sunrise of development for the people of Kolkata, as the metro network has undergone an unprecedented expansion at a cost of nearly 4,000 crore rupees. These projects include the Sialdah Esplanade Metro Line, a modern subway at Havhara Station, a new metro line from Beleghata to Hemanta Mukhopadhyay Station, and direct metro connectivity from Nopra to Jai Hind Airport. With this comprehensive expansion, the two busiest railway stations of the state, Havhara and Sialdah, are now directly connected by metro. This will make the daily commute of 6 lakh passengers easier and faster. Several modern stations on these new metro routes are being inaugurated. These stations include VIP Bazar, Ritvik Ghatak, Varun Singh Gupta, Beleghata, Jaisar Road, and Jai Hind Airport stations. All these stations are equipped with world-class facilities such as lifts, escalators, clean drinking water, and advanced security systems. The foundation stone is also being laid for the 6-lane elevated Kona Expressway, costing over 12,000 crores. These projects are not just about tracks, trains, and connectivity, they are about accelerating the dreams of crores of people of West Bengal. This new speed of development in West Bengal will further strengthen the resolve of a Viksit Bharat, developed India.